In a world racing towards sustainability, one continent's potential remains untapped, waiting to transform the narrative of global trade. This is the story of Africa's sustainable future. But every hero faces challenges. Despite its rich resources and innovative spirit, Africa's path to sustainable trade has been hindered by outdated perceptions and unexplored partnerships. This May, in the heart of London, an event emerges as the guide Africa's been waiting for. The Africa Sustainable Trade Week Expo 2024, where visionaries, innovators, and leaders converge to unlock Africa's sustainable trade potential. Imagine a place where your business can be part of transforming Africa's role in the global economy, creating prosperity for all, where connections are made, ideas flourish, and real change begins. From groundbreaking keynotes to dynamic panel discussions, the ASTW EXPO is where the future of sustainable trade is shaped. Explore the vibrant consumer marketplace, engage in meaningful conversations, and discover partnerships that will drive your business forward. Join us from May 7th to 11th, 2024 in London for an unparalleled journey into the heart of Africa's sustainable trade. Be part of the movement redefining what's possible for the continent's future. Africa Sustainable Trade Week Expo 2024, where Africa's sustainable future takes center stage. Secure your spot. Transform the future.